Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you know that our festival seasons are going on, like we had already spent our Navratri and Durga Puja, and now Diwali is coming, and after that immediately we have Children's Day. My work is always with children and I love children. So why not make something special for them for that day and give it to them along with some token gifts. Today I'll show you how to make simple greeting cards for children, for your kid, and make it at home along with some small gifts. You can give it to them on Children's Day and surprise them. I'll show you two types of cards today. I have cut it out from pastel papers, this purple colored pastel paper in this shape, a little curve on the upper side and rectangular on the three other sides. And this is a yellow card I have cut out totally in rectangular shape. So I'll show you now how to make these cards. For this we require chart paper or pastel paper, any color of your choice, and along with that we require some felt pens or marker pens and Fevicol, a brush. This is all. So let's start. So first I will do this yellow card, and whatever I have cut out small pieces you will get to see once I start assembling them. You will get to see one by one. First I'll finish up with the eyes, black color eyeballs. Now I will stick some strips of paper with this hat. This will be the hat. I will stick the papers like this. Any other colored paper other than this blue, the color on the hat. We'll stick just like that, haphazardly. Now this total thing I will stick on the card, just like this, just like this. A little more Fevicol if it's required. Let it dry. Put this strip on the hat. Paste it here. eyes. Now a little nose over here. And the mouth. I've cut out the mouth like this. Now we'll paste it over here. And a little bow on top of the hat. And one card for our Children's Day is ready. And this will be a fun card for them. We can write Happy Children's Day here. And our card is ready. For this card also we can make a cat kind of thing with the purple. I have chosen purple color, you can choose any color. So I have cut out the ears. First we'll paste the ears. After pasting the ears, we'll paste the eyes. Two eyeballs I'll have to make separately. So now I'll paste the eyes. And the eyeballs. And now the nose and the mouth. And the lower portion. And now the whiskers. Just like this. And our cat Children's Day card is ready. So friends, you can see how easily we can make this kind of cards for Children's Day and give it to our kids so that they enjoy the day and they know that mama or dad has specially prepared this for me at home, and they love this kind of cards. Keep watching my channel for more interesting videos on craft items and kids studies, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.